Happy story time!
Flying Discoveries. In a lush and picturesque land filled with rolling hills, vibrant green forests, and colorful wildflower meadows, there lived Tally, the bird, and his 3 best friends, Crimson the robin, Azure the blue jay, and Merle the tiny sparrow. Every morning, the sun would cast a golden glow over the landscape. Crystal clear rivers and streams would wind their way through the land, reflecting the blue of the sky and providing a refreshing place for the birds to play. Overall, the country was a haven of natural beauty and tranquility, providing the perfect backdrop for Tally and his friends to embark on exciting adventures. One morning, Tally had a brilliant idea. He chirped excitedly, "Hey friends, let's go on a journey and discover new places together." Crimson happily flapped her wings and said, "That sounds so much fun. Where should we go first?" Azure squawked, "How about the sparkling river? I heard it's full of shiny fish." Merle tweeted, "Or we could visit the meadow with colorful flowers all around." So off they flew, gently flapping their wings as they soared through the bright blue sky. They reached the sparkling river, and Tally gasped, "Wow! Look at those shimmering fish! They're like jewels in the water." Crimson giggled, "And see how the water ripples like a happy dance." Nearby was the riverbank, covered with lush green grass and wildflowers of every color imaginable. Tall, swaying trees, their leaves rustling softly in the breeze. Butterflies fluttered around the riverbank, their wings a symphony of vibrant hues. Dragonflies zipped by, their iridescent wings catching the sunlight as they hovered above the water's surface. Birds of all kinds visited to take sips of water and dip their feathers into the river for a refreshing bath. It was a place of tranquility where Tally and his friends experienced nature's beauty and joy. They played by the riverbank, hopping and splashing until the sun started to set. Tally yawned and said, "Oh, it's getting late, but our adventure isn't over yet." With a new burst of energy, they headed to the cozy meadow, nestled between rolling hills and a clear, babbling brook running along its edge. The grass was a soft, lush green that felt like a plush carpet underfoot. The flowers were like a rainbow carpet, tickling their feet as they landed. Azure exclaimed, "These flowers are as soft as a bedtime pillow." Bees buzzed busily, collecting nectar from the blossoms, their soft hum adding to the soothing melody of the meadow. And fireflies twinkled like tiny stars, creating a magical atmosphere. The scent of the flowers filled the air like a sweet and comforting perfume that makes you want to close your eyes and take a deep breath. Merle chirped, and they smell like a sweet dream. In the meadow, Tally and his friends found the perfect place to relax, play, and dream. As the stars twinkled in the night sky, they all sat together, feeling happy and tired. Tally said, "We've discovered so many wonderful places today, but the best adventure is being with friends." They all nodded, cuddling close. "And now," Tally whispered, "it's time to rest our wings and close our eyes." Under the twinkling stars, Tally and his friends drifted off to sleep. The end.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.